This video demonstrates how to enter a flash in the Best Idea platform. When publishing a flash, you can choose to publish it individually or as part of a team. Everything that is published as a team by any one of the team members will automatically generate a request to the other members to confirm or not the publication. To publish as part of a team, just check the Publish as Team checkbox. And then, the drop-down below it allows you to choose the team that will publish this flash. Conversely, if you want to publish by yourself, just take off the checkmark. Next, start entering directly the various fields, among which those with an asterisk are required for your flash to be published. The main purpose of a flash is to be a quick response to a challenge, so normally the only fields that you would fill in are the title and possibly the description. In this case, the flash comes from a challenge. So, start by entering the flash title, which is the only mandatory text. In this example, I write Flash Tutorial, which is what will be seen by your audience. While not mandatory, the description field below it is very important for people to understand what your flash is about and its parameters. As you can see, a lot of information is automatically taken from the challenge that it is associated with, such as the code of the challenge, the language, the category and the duration of the voting period, and therefore these fields do not appear in the flash entering form, which is thus extremely simplified. You can also choose to upload one or more files, by selection or drag and drop. You can also include a link to a video on YouTube or another source, for instance to a video you have uploaded to describe the flash more fully. You can now publish your flash or save it as a draft to be published later. If you save it as a draft, then you find it later by clicking on the My Profile icon. Then on Drafts, Flashes. You can then edit draft of your flash. If you click on Publish Now, your flash will then immediately appear on your target audience homepage and you will see a page with your flash elements and two buttons. Enter another answer. Takes you to the format for entering another flash in response to the challenge. Let's do another one quickly. Go to List of Published Answers. Takes you to the page to see and vote on all already published flash answers related to that challenge. Now, we show what Tim, a member of your audience group, sees when he logs in. Tim sees the flash rectangle and upon selecting it the descriptive elements appear and he can finally give his vote. We are now back on your screen. You can retrieve the flash you have published by clicking on My Profile, Publications, Flashes. As you can see, now there are many buttons present in the flash rectangle. Edit Publication. To edit your flash. Hide Publication. To hide it, maybe just temporarily, Stop Voting. To stop the voting at an earlier time than the one you had originally set up, if you so desire. After the voting period has ended or after you have clicked the Stop Voting button, you can avail yourself of the following option. See Statistics. To take you to the link where you see the complete statistics of your flash.